Hello everyone, welcome to Thermal Control. We are here at the Acrex, day 2. And we have joined Mr. Prashant. He is the sales manager, general sales manager. So let's hear his views. So sir, what's your view about the Acrex?
Uh, Acrex, if you look at it's the biggest exhibition in HVAC industry, and lot of people in India and abroad they come and exhibit their products. So in overall, if you see in Indian contest, so this is the big exhibition, and we get good opportunity to meet people here. A lot of people like influencer, end customers, and the HVAC consultant they do visit this stall. So we have a lot of expectation. Last time we participated in Acrex Delhi. Now this time in Acrex Bangalore. So we hope for a better result from these exhibitions.
And sir, what are the latest technologies and innovations are you displaying over here?
Uh, yeah, our if you look at the HMX range of product, we are uh, pioneer, I would say, in indirect direct evaporative cooling system, two-stage evaporative cooling system, and this is the big innovation, I would say, in HVAC industry. This is we are not using any refrigerant to cool the air. Okay, and this is purely a sustainable one. So we are displaying apart from our flagship product, which is a IoT solution, which is called in two-stage evaporative cooling system. We are displaying other than that product. We have DMA, which is a dual mode ambienter, and then smart AHU we are displaying here, which saves a lot of energy in HVAC domain. So those kind of product we are displaying here this time. Thank you.
Great sir. And can you elaborate about smart AHU?
Yeah, a smart AHU, it's a normal AHU, huh? And what we put a smart in it is the IoT-enabled. So whatever uh, information we get into the AHU, like airflow, hmm, and then whether your fan is on or not, whether coil is on or not, so that you can get through IoT on the system. So that is the smartness of the AHU.
So are you implementing AI and IoT in every product?
Uh, yes. No. In fact, our flagship product also has the IoT. Huh? And see, we are not doing only IoT. If you look at the IoT in today's contest, it is only taking the information. I mean, whatever it's the wrong or whatever is the right in the machine. But what we do analysis part of it, which is a notch beyond it. So that is the USP what IoT our company is offering to the industry.
And sir, what make HMX solutions for better for large space, like cooling for cooling?
So this is very good questions, because when we see a large spaces, it is hard to install air conditioners into it. I mean, the big company they have a large pocket, so they can install. But for running, actually, it is a power guzzler, so it consumes a lot of energy, and it is not advisable. Also, I mean, in tropical countries like India, we don't need those conditions like 24, 23 degrees centigrade, wherein we are very comfortable with 27 degrees centigrade, 28 degrees centigrade with a lot of air. So that is where our product comes in. We offer a temperature throughout the year around 27 to 29 or 30. That is the band we operate in, with a lot of fresh air. When I'm saying lot of, some of the product gives 33% fresh air, some of the product gives 100% fresh air. So our IDEC product, which is a flagship product, gives 100% fresh air. So that adds a comfort into the facility, and we do not recirculate the air like air conditioning do. And power is hardly 40% when compared to the air conditioners. So that is the USP, and that is the technology for the future for the large spaces. And we have installed in big companies like automobile, tire industries, big warehouses. So those all conditions these machines goes.
As we all know, HMX is a very big brand. So how do you support your customer after sales service?
Yeah, we have a very strong network in project and sales service. We do give like IoT, I said. IoT alerts we get to the customer, as well as one copy comes to us. So that is how IoT solution gives a better service. And then we have a network in Pan India and in abroad also. We have some operate through channel partners. Through that, we give the services to our all customers. And believe me, our product need very less services. As moving part in our product are only two. One is motor blower, another is pump. So apart from that, there is no moving components in the machine.
And sir, how does switching to HMX solution from traditional HVAC is beneficial and cost saving?
Yeah, as I said, we use very recent new technologies. Like there is a revolution in fan technologies. Many company operates or many company offers a better efficiency fan. We opt those to save the power, and we do not use any compressor in the machine. So I mean our power consumption is very less compared to air conditioners. So this is how the future solution. I mean that is how big companies now they are coming into two-stage evaporative air cooling system. So yeah.
Yeah, it's a great sir. Like as we heard about sustainability, like everyone is talking about that. So these equipments are sustainable for the future.
See, when we talk of sustainability, there are two, three parameters. One, your less power. I mean, machine should operate with the less power. So that is what our product does. Second, we use all the material which is recyclable. So that is again fall under sustainability, right? Uh, then, if you look at the solutions what we offer to the industry, it gives a fresh air, 100% fresh air. So that also is a part of sustainability. Why and how I am saying after pandemic we learned in very hard way we should give the more fresh air, and we should not recirculate the air. So that is how it falls under the sustainability. So one is power and another is the material which we are using goes, I mean, all are recyclable and very eco-friendly. All the materials are eco-friendly, and the power is less.
You're doing such a great task in India. And can we share about the HVAC market in India? How it's evolving?
Well, India, if I look at the Indian, because there are so many product in HVAC industries, right from the split air conditioners to the big chillers plant. Okay, so there is a huge requirement in tier 2 and tier 3 cities when I talk of small air conditioners. And when it is a big air conditioners like the central air conditioners or big factories cooling, so there these kind of systems falls in place, like what we exhibit here, which is the evaporative based on the evaporative cooling system and large spaces. If you look at uh, it needs a big air conditioners, big ducting, because look at this hall also. I mean, lot of air conditioners you will see here. See, for operate these kind of air conditioners for 3 and 4 days is okay, but for running years together, so it will add into the pockets of the any companies for that matter, and they load it on the product, and the product is higher in the price. So because of that, people they are opting for this kind of solutions. And outside temperature, if you are looking at, so it is day by day it is increasing, very punishable, these temperatures, and we are absolutely comfortable with the 30 below 30 degrees centigrade, because our body temperature is 36 degrees centigrade. So as long as you have the surrounding below 30 degrees centigrade, you are absolutely comfortable. So that is how we give a 30 degrees and less than 30 degrees centigrade is at its temperature and with a lot of velocity. So that's the USP you can call of HMX offerings. Yeah.
And then one last question. Like how do you believe Acrex will impact
Good
your
morning,
business?
exhibitors and visitors.
So you said how this exhibition impacts in HVAC industry. So because these exhibitions, as I told you earlier, also this is the biggest exhibition when it comes uh, to HVAC industry. All sort of product which goes into the HVAC, they are here. Exhibit people exhibits here, and for the influencer, for the consultant, for the end user, this exhibition becomes a single stop solution. They can get any solution here. So that is how these kind of exhibitions impact in HVAC industry, and this is a platform where people can exhibit their new product and then new technologies which are sustainable in nature, which are innovative in nature, which are different in nature. That I would say. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much for talking to us.
Yeah. Thank you very
So
much.
much.